And welcome to the lecture. Let's look at how to import a Google font. Okay, so let's create that folder. Okay, let's create a file here, googlefonts.html. Let's open this up in the brackets. All right, so let's add the boilerplate. This is a Google font. Right, so we will see how to import Google font and how to add them onto your page. So let's go to fonts.google.com and then we will search for the font, and the font that I'm looking is Open Sans. You can add the plus button here, right? And once it is added, they'll give you some HTML code to use. So there's a link tag. We'll copy this link tag. We will place the link tag in the head tag. Right, we have placed it here. This is to link the font, and then to the body I want to apply this font. Okay, how you can apply? You can say font family Open Sans sans serif. So they already gave you the code here how to apply the CSS rule. So now whatever you write will be having this Google font attached to it. So let's write some HTML code here, heading, paragraph, and all those things. And let's view this, and this font will be Open Sans, right? If you want to see the font name, this is Open Sans. Okay, if you remove this, it goes back to the standard text. If you remove this, it goes back to the Open Sans, that is nothing but the Google font. Okay, similarly, if you find any other fonts, let's go back to our Google fonts, minimize this, and you want to have a curvy, like a book style font. Let's say you want to have a different font. You can go to font. Let's say you select slant, and you want this homemade apple. Just click on the plus sign, and you can have this. Both Open Sans and homemade apple will be available with the there's an or symbol here. You can import both the fonts here. Once you do this, you just have to say open homemade apple to the body, right? And then you go open your page, and then you will have that font. It is so simple to import Google fonts, and this is how you do it. All right, so that's example of how to import a Google font, and I'll see you in the next one.